Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting while the restore runs. First, make sure your iPhone stays awake on the restore screen and is plugged into power. Once connected to stable Wi-Fi, open Settings if possible, or stay on the Restore Progress page. You need your Apple ID and two-factor code ready because you may be asked to re-authenticate. Pause any downloads in progress by tapping Stop or Pause if shown. These steps let you safely interrupt the restore without corrupting the current system state. Once you see a Stop or Cancel option, tap it to immediately halt the iCloud restore. If no control appears, perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This interrupts the process. After your iPhone reboots, go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down and sign out of iCloud to prevent automatic resume. Make sure to keep the device offline until you confirm the restore is stopped to avoid background retries. Finish by cleaning up remnants. If the restore is stuck or keeps resuming, erase the iPhone via Settings General Transfer or Reset, erase all content in Settings, then restore from a local iTunes/Finder backup or set up as new. Doing this stops iCloud restores permanently unless you sign back in. If the device keeps trying to restore, turn off Wi-Fi immediately and contact Apple support. They can check your iCloud account and server-side queues. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent automatic restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.